if the LA fires have taught you nothing else, it's that you need this one item and it's going away quick, so you have to go get it now. Hello guys, as you know, or if you haven't heard, California, specifically LA, is burning to the ground. Literally thousands of buildings are just going up in flames. And this is exactly what I've been talking about for years. And you have to go to the store right now and get this item. And what is it? It is the red Christmas totes that Walmart, Home Depot, wherever it is you shop, have in stock right now. But listen, in the next week or two, they are going away and you need to go get some now so that you can get these red Christmas totes. We are going to give you our Dining on a Dime cookbook ebook volume number 1 free at livingonadime.com. Click on our shop, click on our ebooks, click on Dining on a Dime volume 1, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code DINING1 and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. And what are you going to use these red Christmas totes for? You're going to put everything in there that is valuable to you, that if you need to evacuate, you can just pick up the entire tote and go. Why the red ones? So you don't even have to think about what has to go. I would also have an extra tote or two, depending on how much stuff you have, for valuable things, sentimental things, whatever you want to, take with you, like wall hangings, photo albums that you have on sitting out or whatever. But your stuff that is just in totes, like grandma's pictures and videos from when you were a kid, stuff like that you don't look at every day, get some of these red Christmas totes and put them on and put all of that stuff in there. Here's the ones I'm talking about. Okay, now they have these ones, but these things are really, really deep and they would be really heavy to move if you're having to evacuate. So I would get something smaller like this with a red lid. I also like the clear because this way you can see what it is and you can prioritize what needs to go. But only really super important things should go in these ones right here. Now, these are the ones I got. They have red handles. They're about that big. So I think those are going to be perfect. We have all of our evacuation stuff together. I went ahead and got me some of these totes. Now, I got the clear ones so that I can see through. I like seeing through what's in my totes so that I just know right offhand what is in there without having to dig through. Now, you can label them. I'm fine with that. I really don't care. I just like the see-through ones. So I got the ones with the red handles. So I know, and Mike knows, and the kids know that if we have to evacuate, like we were set up ready to go this summer, guys, listen, fires could happen anytime. Your house could just go up in flames anytime. They could just go. So go grab one of these totes. You can see here what I've got going on. All right, you can see here. So for us, I got just the red handles so we know, but here's one of our old ones, and all of this stuff is our evacuation stuff that we had ready to go. Thankfully, we already knew knew where it was. Ooh, there's Grandpa's medals from the military. Okay, so family pictures, family mementos, and what else? DVDs that we moved pictures to. All of that fun stuff is going in here. Then we can just lift them and go, or they're right here by the window. We could break this window, hop in, grab them and get them out. If we can't get up the back stairs because there's a fire or something, we could break that window or that window and come get our stuff if we needed to. So get yourself prepared. Go to Walmart and get these totes before they are gone, and get your important stuff in there so you can just grab it and go. The LA fires are exactly why we try to stay as prepared as possible. If you want to learn more, go watch this video next. We will see you guys next time. Visit us at livingonadime.com.